open the app. Step 2. Hey there, and welcome to our video tutorial on how to download the Facebook app on your Android device. Whether you're new to the platform or need a refresher, we've got you covered. So let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store. The first thing you need to do is open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. If you don't have it yet, go to the Google Play Store and download it. Once you have it installed, open the app. Step 2. Tap on the search icon in the top right corner of the screen. You should see a small magnifying glass icon. Tap on this to begin your search. Step 3. Type Facebook. Using the on-screen keyboard, type Facebook into the search bar. Double-check your spelling to ensure that you get accurate search results. Step 4. Tap on the Facebook app. Once you find the Facebook app in the search results, tap on it to open the app page. Step 5. Tap Install. On the Facebook app page, you'll see a blue button that says Install. Tap on this button to begin downloading the app to your device. Step 6. Wait for the app to download. The download time may vary depending on your internet connection speed, but once the app is downloaded, it will automatically install on your device. Step 7. Open the Facebook app. Once the Facebook app is installed, you can open it from your app drawer or from the home screen. That's it. You've successfully downloaded the Facebook app on your Android device. Now you can start exploring the platform, connecting with friends and family, and sharing updates and photos. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Thanks for watching.